Here is a simple guide to make FIFA 18 run smoother on any low-end PC using the best settings and config tweaks for more FPS. Just navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, open the FIFA setup folder and double click on the FIFA config application and select yes and go to game settings. Resolution, click on the drop down and select 1280 into 720 and select full screen option. Rendering quality set it to low, MSWA off, frame rate limit set to no limits, set DirectX to 11 and click on OK to save changes. And then select the exit option and close the game. And go to documents and open the FIFA 18 folder. Right click on the FIFA setup and select edit in notepad. Then here you just need to change this MSWA level to 0 and rendering quality to 0. Select file and select save option. Now you can launch the game. Now you can able to play on your low-end PC without lag. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.